Good afternoon, traders. This is Eli, Senior Market Strategist with R.J.O. Futures in Chicago. I hope you're having a fantastic afternoon. Just looking at the metals market here briefly, with the exception of copper, most all platinum, gold, and silver are trading below their pivot coming into today's session. Gold pivot is around 1280 and silver around 1940. And so there's a little bit of weakness on both markets. So the fundamentals they're kind of operating into this are there's a report from the Hightower report this morning said that Chinese gold demand is the lowest in 3 years, coming from Taiwan to mainland China, and that's kind of interesting to note. And then over the weekend, the Jackson Hole conference, coming out of that, basically Dr. Yellen spoke and said that so long as the labor market stays weak or doesn't grow rapidly, and inflation is not past the 2% her target or higher, and there's basically acceleration inflation and acceleration in growth. So long as those are not in a play, she's looking at probably keeping more accommodation, continue to keep where rates where they are, and so that's helped the equity markets. Equity markets came in very strong, with the S&P making a contract high. So that hasn't been very supportive. With a strengthened in the dollar, gold and silver have not benefited from that as well. Also, there's this de-escalation seemed to be the case with the Russia and the Ukraine, and that pretty much isn't really. There's not a lot of catalysts for strength in gold right now. Last week I talked about gold going maybe down to 1279. I actually made a little bit lower, went to 1272, but I still continue to think that at these levels, going to be buying opportunity. I continue to support buying dips, and because it has continued to remain a range bound type of market. Looking at the weekly chart shows that, and so till we see some breakouts, and I still continue to see that there's going to be a surprise breakout to the upside. So we'll see when that will manifest itself. And from FOMC meeting last Wednesday, basically stay the course is really where things are, and so we've got the commitment of trader for option report shows that last week over 8,000 contracts in decline and long. So as there's not a lot of market participant on the long side in gold, but I believe that these areas provide a great trading opportunity. If you want to implement option strategies, if you don't want to be long outright gold, but you want to implement option strategies so you have a staying power, we can help you with that. Give me a call if you have any question in that regard as well. We can put together a strategy for you. Wish you a good trading rest of the day. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.